You know 100 English phrases, and you still cannot speak. The problem is not your memory. The problem is your method. Bruce Lee had one rule about practice. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you how that rule fixes your English speaking. And at the end, you will build your own practice plan in 60 seconds. So why do you know so many words and still cannot speak? Let me describe your week. On day 1, you learn 10 new phrases. On day 2, you learn 10 more. By the end of the week, you have 50 phrases in your notebook. Then someone asks you a simple question, and your mind goes empty. This is the most common trap in language learning. You are collecting, you are not training. Every phrase you meet one time stays weak. Your brain has to build it again from zero every time you open your mouth. That takes 2 or 3 seconds. And in a real conversation, nobody gives you 3 seconds. Does this sound like you? Then you are in the right place. I'm Alice, and I have one job here: to make English come out of your mouth. Here is the truth. Fluency is not the number of phrases you know. Fluency is the number of phrases you can say without thinking. Those are two very different numbers. Now, Bruce Lee, he trained thousands of movements in his life, but he said something famous about practice. He said he was not afraid of a man who practiced 10,000 kicks one time. He was afraid of the man who practiced one kick 10,000 times. Look at the screen and read it again. One kick, 10,000 times. Now take away the word kick and put in the word sentence. That is your new method. But before the method, let me ask you something. Stop for a second and answer honestly. How many English sentences can you say out loud right now without thinking? Not sentences you understand. Sentences your mouth already knows. 5, 10, 20. That small number is your real speaking level, not the number of words in your notebook. And the good news is simple. That number is very easy to grow. So how do you practice English speaking? Use the 10,000 kicks rule. 3 steps, all of them simple. Step 1. Choose one pattern, not 10 patterns. 1, for example, this one, I'm thinking about plus an action. Step 2. Say that pattern out loud with a different ending every time. I'm thinking about moving to another city. I'm thinking about changing my job. I'm thinking about buying a new phone. I'm thinking about calling my old teacher. I'm thinking about starting again, from the beginning. Say it 10 times, a new ending each time, out loud, not silently in your head. Step 3. Come back tomorrow and use the same pattern again. Same pattern, new endings, every day for 1 week. That is one kick practiced many times. So why does this work so well? Here is the reason. Repetition moves language from slow to automatic. The first time, your brain builds the sentence piece by piece. The 50th time, your mouth already owns it, and a sentence your mouth owns will come out in a real conversation, under pressure, without translation, without that silent panic. That is the whole secret. 10 patterns you own will beat 100 patterns you visited once. Now your practice plan. 1 pattern. 10 new endings every day. 7 days, that is 70 repetitions of the same structure. After 7 days, that pattern belongs to you. Forever, and a small test. No going back. What was the rule? 10,000 kicks one time, or 1 kick 10,000 times? Say the answer out loud. Right now, I am waiting. The answer is 1 kick 10,000 times. And the same is true for every English sentence you want to own. So choose your pattern now. Write it in the comments so you cannot escape from it. Then say it 10 times before you close this video. Your notebook is already full. Your mouth is not. Time to change that. I'm Alice, and I will see you in the next episode.